Hi everyone, it's Vicki here and I'm designing the Hip Kit Club with the October 2019 kits. And this week we're following the mood board designed by Sophie, and it's beautiful, lovely autumn colours there, lots of leaves, pumpkins. And my assignment is to do a fall or Halloween layout. So I'm going for Halloween. And we have this fabulous cut file in the website store. Well, free to subscribers, and it says cute little pumpkin. So that's what I'm scrapping with. I've got a nice photo of my niece in with her face painted. So I thought that was quite cute. So I start off by getting out the Lindy's sprays, and we've got 3 sprays this month. We've got a Good as Guy Gold? Good a Guy Gold. No, that sounds wrong. Hold on. No, Grab a Guy Gold. Bougainvillea Fuchsia. No idea if I've said that right. And Sweet Violet Purple Teal. So I used the gold mixed with the fuchsia to make the orange. I used some blue from last month, powder, which is Tweedledee Denim, mixed with the gold to make the green. And then I used the fuchsia at the top and the purple at the bottom, but I added a bit of fuchsia over the purple and a bit of purple over the fuchsia. So they come out slightly different colours, but they weren't quite the colours I wanted, so it just sort of toned them down a little bit. So there we go. So I just coloured that cut file. I thought I would colour it instead of backing the letters, and I like how that turned out. So once I've done that, I'm trying to decide which background I want to use. And for a while, I think I might use this paper. So I get out my photo and I'm looking at all the embellishments. And I noticed the manufacturer's strip at the bottom is that fantastic sort of orangey plaid. So I thought I would back my pumpkin with that. And it just looked really cute. So here we go. So I'm just drawing around the shape, cutting around it, sticking it on the back. And there we go, that looks great. So I'm going to fill all 5 sections with that, and we'll skip through that because most people have done this before, so I don't think you need to watch the full process. Okay, so pumpkin is now backed. I think that looks pretty cute. And I'm not liking that page, so I'm going back to white cardstock, and I'm going to put some colour there along the top. So I'm just going to tear this piece of paper, which is from Pretty Little Studio, Indian Summer. And that's, I believe, the reverse of it that I've just put behind there. So yeah, I like that better. So now I'm cutting out some leaves from this piece of paper, which is from Paige Evans' Truly Grateful collection. And I skipped through that, but you can see I cut out several in the pinks, purples and the yellows and oranges, just to match with my title and my pumpkin. So I'm just going to arrange those around roughly just to see how that's going to look. There we go, adding another pumpkin from the puffy stickers. Those are exclusives this month. And I've also got the chipboard stickers, little tree there, which I'm going to add in too. Okay, and a couple of the chipboard flowers as well. So this doesn't stay exactly as it is, but I'm just sort of pulling things out that will match. The vellum leaves, my hands went all funny then. I was so excited with the vellum leaves. I really loved them. So yeah, my hands did a little jig, I think. So now I'm just going to start to stick everything down. So stick down the backing paper there. Okay, and make sure that's all stuck down. And then I'm going to stick the cut file to the page. So the cute little overlaps the paper, and then pumpkin is just onto the whites. So I'm just using some glossy accents there. I don't need to use glossy accents, but my glue is getting very low. And as we're moving, I've already packed my refills. So yeah, ouch. I hope I don't run out before we move. If they would just give us a date, I'd be happier. Okay, so this is one of the, I think I said vellum earlier, and I meant to say, what's the word? I can't remember. Like, I want to say perspex, but it's not that at all, but you know what I mean. Anyway, so let me find them and I'll tell you the word. Oh my goodness, I haven't been drinking, honestly. Acetate, that's what I'm talking about. So that's an acetate pumpkin, and I backed it onto some white cardstock just to make the colours pop a bit better. Oh my goodness. So now I am putting some foam onto the back of the photo. And then I decided actually I want to put something behind it. So I'm going to take the tape off, I think, in a second. Oh no, I haven't put anything behind it. My mistake, I decided to leave it like that because it has a white border anyway. So I'm now starting to stick everything down. All the previous chipboard pieces I got out, the leaves I cut, and the puffy stickers all going down, the acetate leaves there. There we go. Oh dear, what a day. It's been a busy day. I've been packing boxes all day. I feel just exhausted. So yeah, do excuse me if I sound like I have no idea what I'm talking about. This is the first layout I've ever made. I just have no idea. Leaves are going down, sticking to the page. And I'm trying to find something to go at the base of that tree, and I can't make anything work. So in a second, I'm going to pull out the puffy stickers and put a little apple there, which I think looks really sweet. There we go. I like that. So just going to stick everything down. Still using my glossy accents. Okay. Lots of leaves on this one. There were lots of leaves on the mood board, so I wanted to make sure I put lots in here. And with those pieces of paper from Truly Grateful with all the leaves on, there were plenty of opportunities for leaves. Okay, so just putting out some more puffy stickers here, a little purple heart there, and I'm putting that sticker, cardstock sticker onto there. And that owl, I love that little owl, so I thought I would tuck him underneath the photo. And a couple more leaves just up at the top there to just to continue the orange yellow theme, that side of the photo. And I think finally, yeah, I'm going to do some splatters with the gold magical spray. And that's the final layout. I hope you like it, and I hope it gives you some inspiration for using this. The cut file, as I said, is free to subscribers, so you can get that online anytime. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. This has been Vicki for Hip Kit Club, and next time I'll be more experienced. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.